Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In Java, both abstract classes and interfaces are used to achieve abstraction, which allows you to define methods that must be implemented by derived classes. However, they have different use cases and characteristics. Let's explore both concepts in detail. Abstract class. An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated on its own and can contain both abstract methods, without implementation, and concrete methods, with implementation. Abstract classes are typically used when you want to share a common base with some common functionality while still enforcing subclasses to implement specific methods. Key characteristics of abstract classes. One can have both abstract methods and concrete methods. Two can have member variables, fields. Three can have constructors. Four supports access modifiers, public, protected, private. 5. A class can extend only one abstract class, single inheritance. Example of abstract class. Interface. An interface in Java is a reference type that can contain only constants, method signatures, default methods, static methods, and nested types. Interfaces cannot have instance fields or constructors. They are used to specify behaviors that classes must implement, and a class can implement multiple interfaces. Key characteristics of interfaces. One can only contain method signatures, until Java 7, and default/static methods, from Java 8. 2 cannot have member variables, only constants. 3 cannot have constructors. 4 supports multiple inheritance, a class can implement multiple interfaces. 5 all methods in an interface are inherently public and abstract, except static and default methods. Example of interface. When to use abstract class vs interface. Use an abstract class when asterisk. You want to provide a common base with shared code. You want to define default behavior for some methods. You want to maintain state, fields, and have constructors. Use an interface when asterisk. You want to define a contract for classes to implement. You need to support multiple inheritance, a class implementing multiple interfaces. You want to define a common behavior that can be shared across different class hierarchies. Conclusion. In summary, both abstract classes and interfaces are powerful tools for achieving abstraction in Java, but they serve different purposes. Abstract classes are best for sharing code among closely related classes, while interfaces are best for defining a common contract for disparate classes. Understanding when to use each will help you design better object-oriented systems.